Hey pretty girls, it's Pretty. Welcome to the Pretty Girls Club. If you know it, the subscribe button. If you're not, hey girl, hey. As you can tell from the title of this video, this is part 2. I'm gonna try my best to keep up with the numbers, but y'all look, y'all know how it is. So if you watched part 1, then you already have seen the not empty apartment tour, but empty office tour. I already showed you all that. So today's video is gonna be me, yes, in the same outfit, because I'm recording the same day, honey, because content got to get done. So today I am literally going to put these on my wall. So I have like some little pink graphics. Also too, I found my ring light. I know in the last video I mentioned my ring light, but I found it. So I just got some pink graphics from Amazon, y'all. I thought I was gonna have to sit there and go on Pinterest, download them and print them out by myself, but I was able to find those graphics already printed out on Amazon.com, guys. So I'm gonna make sure I link it down below for you guys. It was probably about $12 for like 100, and I got 2 packs or whatever, so I think I have about 200 graphics, and they're just all assorted graphics. This first one is like a Louis Vuitton kind of print thingy, super cute, and it's literally all the graphics that you can find on Pinterest. Like, you know, if you into like the pink aesthetic on Pinterest, then y'all kind of know what I'm talking about. So it's literally all of those. So somebody making good money off that. It saved me literally about $500, because if I was to go print out 200 of those prints by myself, like on Amazon or like Walmart or something, it was gonna be about $200, y'all, and I'm like, I'm not doing that. So I am going to just record myself, put it up the wall. I might do like a time lapse for you all to kind of, you know, speed the process up. So I might kind of walk through a couple really quickly, and then the rest are going to just be a time lapse, and then that'll be the end of today's video. Again, I'm going to show y'all the wall I'm going to use. That is the front door, not the front door, but that's the door. That's like a little hallway. There go my cat Sassy. So I'm going to try to decorate this half of the wall, simply because I want to be able to record videos and stuff like that from this angle. And the reason why is because the window is right here, and it's going to have direct sunlight at this spot. So I think this is going to be a great spot to film. I'm going to start at the ceiling and work my way down, simply because y'all might not even see the bottom ever, especially if I'm recording and things like that. So I want to make sure that the top is filled up first, and then I want to work my way down. Or actually, I might kind of work in the middle, because y'all might not see the top either. So I might try to work in the middle. We're gonna see how we do it, but just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is what the wall is looking like. This is the final product. I didn't go all the way down to the floor. I might go down to the floor, or I might bring it out a little bit more, but so far I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows across, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows down. 8 rows across and 9 rows down. So far it's looking pretty good. I like the way that it looks. I love just the aesthetic of it. So y'all are gonna be seeing so much of this wall. I cannot wait, and Sassy approves. Okay, y'all, so we have made it to the end of this video. I might do one more extra row out, so it can be 9 across and then 9 down, but for the most part I am truly satisfied. The process was pretty tedious though. I definitely would recommend just buying some double-sided tape. I would not recommend using the little stickies that they gave you, because they keep falling off and it's hard to take off, especially if you wear nails like me. I would just suggest getting some double-sided tape, of course, but other than that, I am happy with the results. I am super excited for this office transformation. So make sure you subscribe so you all can see the next video and see what I'm going to add next into the office.